A video circulating on social media appears to show a physical application involving counsel for the Brownstone Division. Me I learn right now we supposed to can find what's your name? Kim Brown line. So I put it in counsel, record it. Oh that one that looks so dark. Something with that. Come on, see our picture. Me Ross. It's a piece of picture I look.
The video obtained by Nationwide News, Councillor Kim Brown Lawrence is seen filming the woman from behind while questioning her about alleged threats. Brown Lawrence asked, "Where just say, miss? You will lick me across my face?"
Alright.
The woman initially ignores the councillor and continues a conversation with someone else inside an office. Moments later, the woman turns and knocks the phone from Brown Lawrence's hand, triggering a brief tussle between the two.
I was in Miss Katie's office, asking about the tax paper. Here come the young lady, Carrot's at work, eating just finished. When you have your yam problem, then I know why you control your yam problem, them for me. I said, "Madam, what is your name?" Or I say, "Young lady, what is your name?" Something to the sort. Now ask me my name. Yeah, so, you have the problem, them, you're sitting on the yam, sitting on the. The young lady said, she walked down and she talked to Mr. Morris. Me not thief. Me integrity strong. I'm in a slack. So I said, "No, man, it's not a joke. This is serious." I said, "Repeat what you say and take on it, and you will see the rest from there." I didn't hear.
You're a fight.